Thinking of trading commodities but unsure how to start? Here's how you can place a commodity order on the RIISE app in just a few steps. First, go to the Commodity tab from the top navigation bar, or you can search for the commodity you're looking to buy. Now, scroll through and tap on the commodities contract you're interested in, say zinc, gold, or any active contract listed. This will take you to the quote details page. Tap on Buy at the bottom of your screen. Next, confirm your order details like the number of lots, the price, and the order type, whether it's limit, market, or any other. You can also choose carry forward or intraday depending on your trading preference. Once done, hit Buy and you'll now see an order confirmation screen. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm Order, and just like that, your order will be placed. Download RIISE, your all-in-one wealth app, and start trading commodities easily.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.